I'm gonna miss this climate!
Like my dreams to me, snow spot on my best friend now. Get me away from me. I got plans, I got things to do. Gotta do my hours, do my hours. Why is everything so damn hard? Gray skies and rain cloud. I postpone everything.
Think I'll stop playing hard. As a matter of fact, I will never ever pretend that I'm more than that. It is hard, that I know, but I'm scared as hell. Can you please just comfort me? You know so well this is tough, but I know we can make this work. I'm in love and it feels so great that it hurts. Tell me, boy, could you ever feel the same? I love you, it's true, I could say it again. Though I never, ever, ever, ever think that I will let you in this time. Know that I will use these.
Hello everyone. Good morning. It's 8:30 a.m. and today is actually my last day here in Baguio. Unfortunately, I really love Baguio, guys, and my 1 week here went by so quickly. I'm really loving my time here, and yes, I would definitely come back with friends or family. Baguio is such a cool place, and I really love the cooler climate as well. And yeah, the food is good, affordable. People are very warm. So yeah, I would highly recommend for you guys, if you wanna go somewhere here in the Philippines, please go check out Baguio. It's a lovely city. Anyway, right now I just finished packing, so I'll be catching a 10 a.m. bus to Manila. And actually I was gonna fly directly to Cebu with PAL, but the price is crazily high. So it ranges from 5 to 7K one way, and yeah, that's really a lot. So I want to do another alternative just in case if you guys are not from Cebu and you want to visit Baguio, or maybe you're from Luzon or Manila, then you can take a bus as well. It's going to take around 4 to 5 hours. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me. How will the travel go? Is it gonna be good? Is it a better way to visit Baguio? Yeah, I'm gonna try to review the bus that I will be taking. I actually chose Joy Bus Executive by Genesis, and I had an executive. I was gonna get the Premier, but it's not available. So we're getting the executive, and yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me today. It's gonna be a long ride for sure, but I actually do love like bus journey. I don't know what is it, but yeah, it's just, I find it enjoyable just looking at random things by the window. Anyway guys, let's go check out and go to the bus. All right. Alright people, I just checked out. It's already 9 a.m. Let's go to the bus terminal. I think it's not gonna take me that long to get there. It's only gonna be around 15 minutes, I believe. Or 10 minutes, I'm not sure. Wait, I cannot open. Okay, we're gonna get a taxi from here. I'm gonna miss this climate. I'm gonna miss Baguio so much. Alright guys, so I made it here in the bus terminal. I still have 30 minutes before check-in. For executive, you actually have to check in 30 minutes before the time of departure. So I will be with Joy Bus Genesis. I think it's this one. It says executive coach, air condition. Ta-da! They just arrived actually. Look. Hello! So this is how it looks like. Executive coach of Genesis. Let's see, it says Baguio City and I will be in Cubao. Ta-da! That's where you put all your luggages. Alright, so this is the terminal. This is where you can buy your ticket in this section. I already got my ticket a few days before so that I will have reserved tickets already. I just got a bit of pasalubong. Ta-da! I just left my bag here. I think the people here in Baguio. Hello. Okay. Okay. Nanay is asking for some money for food. There you go. God bless po. Alright. We're waiting for check-in, guys. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. So I just put my luggage right here. There's my luggage, and this is the bus that we will be taking to Cubao in Manila. It says Joy Bus Executive Coach. Okay, right, let's get in. This is how it looks. Ta-da! Driver seat. And I actually got my seat number right here. I'm 8C. So the price is 800 pesos. Wow. Oh, it smells good. It smells good in here. I wonder where did... Okay. The seat is at the top. Smells good. Am I at the very end? Okay, this is 7. So this is 8C. This is me right here. It's a bit wet. Why is that wet? Alright guys, so I'm here in my seat now, and can I just say that the seat is pretty big, like especially for my size. I mean, look, it's so spacious. I do have a lot of leg room. Ta-da! I can even put my bag in there. You could also put your bag at the top or in the compartment at the bottom. So you can have the footrest. Ta-da! See? That's so cool. So you can lie down like that, and then look at this. This is where the magic happens. Ta-da! Oh wow! You can fully recline your seat, and I love it so much. So I think it's gonna take us 4 to 5 hours drive to Cubao. Okay, he's gonna get the blue paper. The blue? Oh, okay, yeah. Thank you. Alright guys, there you go. I really like it. See? It's so spacious and it's air conditioned. Look, you can control the air condition right there. It's got lights as well. And I think we will have a cabin crew like on board. And I think the only comparison with the Premier, so they also have Premier, I think it's the highest that they have. So the Premier is... The only comparison with Premiere is that it's got a tablet in front, so you can watch movies, you can watch, I don't know, you can play games as well and stuff like that. But yeah, it's so nice, comfy. So for 800 pesos, it's actually worth it, I would say. I just love the idea of you'll be able to recline your seat like that because it's so comfortable. And I think we do have toilet on board as well, which is going to be at the back. I'll show it to you guys later. But yeah, look, it's so nice. And there's not going to be a lot of people since this is executive. I'm not sure what's the total capacity, but it's 3 rows. I think it's 28 capacity. Yeah. Hello. There you go. I am now leaving Baguio with a grateful heart. This city will hold a special place in my heart because of this trip. Before, the idea of solo traveling scares me. I don't think I can do it. I have all these what ifs popping in my head. What if something happens to me? What if I miss the plane? What if I can't find my way back to my hotel? What if someone's following me? All of these what ifs are stuck in my head, and it's what's stopping me to travel alone. This 2023, I want to be braver, and I want to challenge myself. So I booked a one-way ticket to Baguio, the city known for healing and soul searching. I didn't have much expectations. I didn't research a lot about the place, as I wanna cross the bridge when I get there. I find Baguio so charming. The cooler climate is opposite to how warm and kind the people are. The food is delicious, yet affordable. One of the things that I like about Baguio is their parks. In my 1-week trip, I went to Burnham Park every single day. It is where I appreciate solitude and enjoying my own company. Baguio has made me realize a lot of things. It taught me a lot of lessons, and it helped me nourish my soul. Thank you, Baguio, for this memorable trip. Until next time. Hello, everyone. So after 5 hours, it's 2:45 p.m. right now. We just arrived here in Cubao, Manila. The ride was actually pretty good. You wouldn't feel the 5 hours travel because of how comfortable the seats are, and it's air conditioned. Though I got dizzy a few times because of the road, but it was all good. You can also recline your chair all the way. There was a toilet over there. I was not able to use it because I wasn't drinking any water since I don't want to use it. But there is a toilet for your convenience. Right, we're here. There's a lot of taxi. That's a good sign. I'm gonna get my luggage. Okay, it's right here. Hi. Okay. Sa may tandang sora po. Okay. Kuya is... Saan po? Okay. Alright. Hopefully Kuya is gonna put on the meter, huh? We'll see. Meter po? Okay. Ay. Ay. Okay. Alright, we're here. That was pretty quick. Alright guys, I made it here in Quezon City, Manila. I'm actually going to Atila Arne's house. I'm gonna be staying with her for tonight. I'll visit her as well. I think this is the one. Hello everyone, good evening. So finally I'm here at Atila Arne's house in Manila. So I will be staying here for the night. This is the room that we will be sleeping. So I will have a flight to catch actually going home to Cebu tomorrow because Fiesta is happening in our place in the countryside. So I'm gonna take you guys with me along as well. But anyway, it has been a long day traveling from Baguio here in Manila. And yeah, this concludes my Baguio trip. I really enjoyed it a lot and I hope you guys are too. And I will end the vlog here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and as always, I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye.